Hi, are you finding that your jawline is starting to lose its definition? Maybe your smile line's getting that little bit deeper, and it doesn't matter how much massage you do, it's just not seeming to improve. Well, in today's video, we're going to go a little bit deeper than the skin, and we're going to be working on the fascia points, 3 particular fascia points to really help lift up the lower part of the face. We're then going to be finishing off with the all-important lymphatic drainage, so we can also reduce toxins and waste within the lymph around the lower part of the face. So first things first, you want to start off with clean skin, and as always, I'm using my nourishing facial oil from Kinship Skin, my brand, but if you have a face cream, that's fine too. But I would highly recommend a very light oil, just so you got a little slip and glide, so not compromising the skin by dragging and pulling it. So just gently applying all along the lower part of the face, front and behind the ears, and just down by the SEM muscle down to the collarbone. So to start off with, we're just going to open up the gates for the lymph, if you like, to really help and also hydrate the fascia. So from the collarbone just above, we've got some indentations, and if you just give those a few gentle presses. Right, so the first pressure point, fascia pressure anchor point we're going to be doing is on the jawline area here. So you want to take your hands, it's quite a good idea to look in a mirror and look from your ear to your chin and work literally midway, and that's our anchor point. Taking our thumb, placing it under the jawline area here, fingers above, and you just want to very gently place and hold, and then just going a bit deeper, melting into the skin. Now I like to do these with my back nice and straight, head nice and straight for maximum oxygen and blood flow to the area. Also making sure that the feet are parallel and again and flat to the floor, so we're nice and straight in our body. And then just gently, just tilt the head a tiny bit and just gently place and hold in a bit deeper, and then work in a round circular motion one way, very slowly. Now what we're doing here is releasing any tight fascia on the bone, a really great myofascia decompression release, if you like. And if the fascia is stuck to the bone, it's not allowing for so much space. So by creating space, we're allowing for more oxygen, blood flow, and also detoxification on the jawline area. And then just work in the opposite direction. If I just show you here, nice and slowly. It's about melting into the skin and onto the bone, releasing that tight fascia, which is literally, it's the connective tissue throughout the whole of the body. If this gets tight, it can draw the face down, and also if it's on the bone and it's quite stuck there, almost like stickiness, again, we're not helping with the blood flow and circulation. And then just do a few gentle pulses. Taking the thumb, placing it under the chin, fingers above in a hook, and let's just glide this out now, along that mandible. So we've done a really great mandibular fascia anchor point here. So now let's work on the masseter muscle, one of the strongest muscles in the body. So gently placing our hands either side of our jawline area here, again nice and straight. You just want to very lightly clench your teeth between the bottom set and the top set, and you should feel your masseter muscle. Taking a couple of fingers here, just gently press into this muscle here. And then just go in a little bit deeper, keeping the mouth nice and relaxed and also the face nice and relaxed. Melting in, and then just slowly working in a round circular motion, really slow. If it's too painful, if you have TMJ or any issues, you can always lift off and just have a lighter point touch here. We hold a lot of tension in our jawline, so this will really help release that as well. Nice round circular motions. Again, creating space, a really great fascia decompression. And then just working the other way. Now I like to do a nice belly breath in through the nose for 4 and out of the nose for 6. Again, helping with blood flow circulation and also calming down the nervous system. So let's just do this 2 times while we're doing this lovely Masseter anchor release. And then just gently release, come up with the fingers, just gently glide an outwards motion. Nice and light, really worked hard on that masseter muscle. And then the third fascia anchor point is from the pupil of the eyes coming down to the cheekbone. You can feel the cheekbone and then just come down a little bit further and then just very gently press this point. And then slowly working in a little bit deeper, melting in onto that bone, the zygomatic. Again, shoulders are relaxed, face nice and relaxed. And then just very, very lightly working under that bone, round circular motion one way. And then working round the other way. Again, if it's slightly painful, just release some of the pressure from the pads of the fingers. Again, really releasing any tightness of the fascia here. And then just do a few gentle pulses, some fascia pulsing. And then with the fingers just gliding now along that cheekbone area towards the ears. What we're doing here now is this is a further light touch, and we're moving toxins and waste within the lymph, which is part of the Fascia Lift method. Now the lymph is within the whole of the body, but it's also close to the surface of the skin. And again, whatever product you've placed, it's going to penetrate in better and deeper. And please comment down below, tell me how you're finding this. And then again, thumb placed under the jawline, fingers above, nice gentle glide, lower part of the face. Plenty of lymph nodes, and then coming to the front of the ears and just gliding either side of the ears where we have plenty of lymph nodes. And then behind the ears where we have plenty of lymph nodes. And then taking the fingers, we're now just going to work in a round circular motion, nice and light, all along the bottom of the head, the top of the neck. We always get a lot of tension here, so if you feel a little tender point, just give it a little massage out. And then when the fingers are touching, if you can just glide down either side of the SEM muscle here, from the ear all the way down to the collarbone, one at a time. And then from the chin all the way down, literally our beginning point, where our collarbone is just above those indentations. So you can take the pads of your fingers and just give those a few gentle presses. And this will release all the toxins and waste of move once we've done our fascia points, anchors into the body, ready for elimination. Now I would highly recommend having a nice warm water after this, cup of water or glass of water, to really help hydrate the fascia and also for detoxification. And if you're not already subscribed, please consider liking, subscribing and sharing. And again, comment down below, tell me how you found this and also where you're from. And I really look forward to seeing you in the next video. Okay, bye.